If you thought the Insta360 ecosystem had peaked with the RS 1-inch edition, think again. Whispers across forums and insider channels suggest that Insta360 might be gearing up for something even more modular, more cinematic, and possibly AI-enhanced. The rumored RS2 could redefine what creators expect from a compact powerhouse. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far, from speculative specs to leaked design cues, and explore why this could be the most creator-focused upgrade yet. If you're serious about staying ahead in the camera game, hit like, share, and subscribe, because what's coming next might just change your entire workflow. The buzz around Insta360 RS2 started quietly. A few cryptic posts on niche camera forums, some speculative tweets from known leakers, and a handful of concept renders floating around Reddit. While Insta360 hasn't confirmed anything officially, the pattern is familiar: subtle hints, followed by sudden drops. Creators are already dissecting every possible clue, from firmware updates to accessory compatibility. If history repeats, we might be just weeks away from a teaser that flips the narrative. The Insta360 RS2 is rumored to feature a significant sensor upgrade, jumping to a 1-inch sensor that promises sharper detail, richer dynamic range, and vastly improved low-light performance. This leap could position the RS2 as a serious contender not just in the action cam space, but in semi-cinematic workflows as well. Alongside this, leaks suggest native 8K video support and up to 48MP stills, a major bump from the RS' current capabilities. AI is likely to play a bigger role this time around. The RS2 could debut FlowState 2.0, an upgraded stabilization engine powered by real-time scene detection and auto-framing. Cloud-based editing and syncing might also be introduced, allowing creators to shoot, upload, and edit on the fly. An instant zoom feature, offering up to 2.7x digital zoom while recording, adds flexibility for dynamic shots without lens swaps. Modularity remains at the heart of the RS series, and the RS2 is expected to expand on this with a redesigned lens system. Creators could see support for existing 360 and boost lenses, plus a potential new cinematic or telephoto mod. A rumored 6K widescreen mode in 2.35 to 1 aspect ratio hints at a push toward more cinematic framing, while invisible selfie stick compatibility continues to offer drone-like third-person perspectives without the bulk. Under the hood, the RS may second introduce a new core module with faster processing and better heat management, two features creators have been demanding for years. Boot times are expected to be near instant, and the touchscreen interface could be more responsive, with a redesigned quick menu for faster access to shooting modes. Wi-Fi transfers are also rumored to be significantly faster, streamlining mobile editing workflows. Audio and connectivity are also getting attention. The RS may second include an additional microphone for improved stereo capture, along with enhanced wind noise reduction. A USB-C port with faster data rates and Bluetooth remote compatibility round out the rumored upgrades, making the RS2 more creator-friendly across the board. Battery life is expected to improve by roughly 20%, thanks to optimized power management. The build itself could be more rugged, offering waterproofing up to 16 feet without a housing. Mod connectors are rumored to be more stable, reducing the risk of disconnects during high-motion shoots, a crucial fix for action and FPV creators. Software features are also getting a boost. Active HDR mode could deliver stabilized HDR footage even in fast-paced environments. Slow-motion capabilities are rumored to hit 8x on the boost lens and 4x on the 360 lens. And yes, 360 degrees horizon lock is expected to be available across all lens mods, keeping footage level no matter how wild the movement. What creators really want, and what Insta360 has the chance to finally deliver, is a camera that adapts effortlessly to every shooting style without forcing compromises. Across Reddit discussions, YouTube comment sections, and filmmaking forums, the same requests appear again and again. Better heat management so the camera doesn't shut down during long shoots in hot environments. faster boot times so you don't miss that once-in-a-lifetime shot, and a responsive touchscreen interface that doesn't lag or freeze in the middle of recording. These may sound like small fixes, but to creators in the field, they're the difference between capturing the moment and losing it forever. The RS2 has the potential to be Insta360's direct response to DJI's aggressive push into the creator space, where every millisecond and every frame counts. But the bigger picture is this. If Insta360 can take that community wish list and turn it into reality, the RS2 won't just compete. It could dominate multiple content creation arenas at once. Imagine an action cam compact enough for daily carry, powerful enough to hold its own in professional vlogging, versatile enough to mount on FPV drones without overheating, and cinematic enough to deliver storytelling footage that rivals mirrorless cameras. That's the kind of leap that could reposition Insta360 not just as a player in the action camera world, but as a platform that redefines how creators think about modularity, versatility, and quality. If they succeed, the RS2 could mark the moment where Insta360 stops chasing the competition and starts leading it. With the DJI Osmo Action 5 and the GoPro Hero 13 rumored to drop in the near future, Insta360 has absolutely no room for mistakes. The upcoming RS2 can't simply rely on being modular the way its predecessor did. It has to evolve into something far smarter, faster, and more creator-focused if it wants to stand out in an increasingly crowded action camera market. That means more than just improved hardware. It's about intelligent features that anticipate what creators need before they even press record. Imagine a system where AI scene detection automatically adjusts exposure and stabilization for surfing, mountain biking, or urban vlogging, where auto-framing keeps you in the shot no matter how chaotic the moment gets, and where cloud-based editing tools allow you to cut, trim, and publish straight from your phone without hours of post-production. If Insta360 integrates all of this seamlessly, they won't just keep up with GoPro and DJI, they could leapfrog the competition entirely. This isn't simply a race over sensor size or frame rates. It's a battle to control the entire ecosystem of how content is created, shared, and experienced. And if you're finding value in this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us keep exploring the cutting edge of the gear that shapes your creativity. Whether the RS2 arrives next month or later this quarter, one thing has already become crystal clear. The global creator community is watching closely, and expectations are higher than ever. If Insta360 delivers even half of the rumored upgrades, from advanced stabilization that could make gimbals unnecessary, to smarter modular attachments that let you instantly shift between vlogging, action sports, and immersive 360 storytelling, the RS2 could redefine the entire modular camera market. For faceless YouTubers who need reliability without spending hours in editing software, for drone pilots looking to capture stabilized 360 degrees footage without heavy rigs, and for storytellers who demand cinematic quality from the smallest possible setup, this could finally be the tool that bridges versatility with uncompromised image quality. Stay tuned, because the next big wave of content creation might not start with GoPro or DJI this time, but with a bold move from Insta360 that changes how creators everywhere capture their world.